Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Router and modem have power and an active connection. You should see the internet LED stable. Once done, enable Wi-Fi on the laptop and open network settings so you can scan for SSIDs. Make sure you have the Wi-Fi name and password or an Ethernet cable for a wired start. This avoids wasted clicks and lets you move straight into selecting the correct network without guessing, saving time and reducing connection errors. You now select the correct SSID from the scan results, double-check the name to avoid connecting to a guest or neighbor network. Enter the Wi-Fi password slowly and toggle visibility to confirm each character, because one wrong symbol blocks authentication. Make sure to leave IP4 on DHCP for most home networks. Change to static only if you have assigned values. If proxy settings are needed, add them now. Once authenticated, the laptop negotiates IP and gateway to establish routing. You finish by verifying connectivity. Open a browser and load a lightweight site or use a ping to 8 to test DNS and routing. Once the page loads, save the network and enable Auto Connect so you reconnect automatically. Enable Firewall for ongoing security. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reboot the router and your laptop, then recheck Ethernet connections and run the built-in network troubleshooter. This sequence isolates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.